Upgrading your home with new windows is one of the smartest investments you can make. Not only do high-quality windows improve curb appeal, but they also enhance comfort, energy efficiency, and overall value. For Coppell homeowners, where summers bring sweltering heat and winters can still be chilly, a professional window installation ensures your home stays comfortable year-round. If you've never gone through the process before, here's what you can expect when hiring experts for your window installation in Coppell. Initial consultation and assessment. The process begins with a consultation. A professional installer will visit your home to discuss your goals, assess your current windows, and recommend options based on your budget and Coppell's climate. Measurements. Precise measurements ensure a perfect fit for each window. Recommendations. You'll learn about energy-efficient options like low-E glass or double-pane windows that are especially beneficial in Texas. Estimates. A detailed quote will outline costs, timelines, and what's included in the service. This step gives you a clear picture of what to expect before any work begins. Preparation of your home. On installation day, the team will prepare your home to protect it from dust, debris, and potential damage. Furniture and belongings near windows are moved or covered. Drop cloths or protective coverings are placed on floors. Outdoor spaces around windows are cleared for easy access. Professional installers treat your home with respect, ensuring a clean, organized workspace throughout the project. Removal of old windows. Before new windows go in, the old ones must come out carefully. This step requires skill to avoid damaging surrounding walls or trim. The crew will remove each window systematically. Old caulking, sealants, or insulation are cleaned away. Frames and openings are inspected for damage, rot, or moisture problems. If issues are found, the installer will address them to make sure your new windows perform correctly. Precise installation of new windows. This is where expertise truly matters. Professional installers ensure your new windows are placed securely and sealed properly. Positioning. Windows are leveled and squared to prevent sticking or drafts. Sealing. High-quality sealants and insulation are applied to block air leaks and moisture. Hardware. Locks, latches, and screens are installed and tested for smooth operation. In Coppell's climate, proper sealing is critical to keep cool air inside during summer and prevent heat loss in winter. Clean up and disposal. Once the installation is complete, professionals take care of the mess so you don't have to. Old windows, glass, and debris are removed from your property. Work areas are cleaned thoroughly, leaving your home tidy. Protective coverings are taken up, and furniture is moved back into place. This ensures you can immediately enjoy your new windows without worrying about leftover clutter. Final inspection and walkthrough. Before leaving, the installer will walk you through each window to confirm everything meets your expectations. They'll show you how to operate and maintain the windows. Weather stripping, locks, and screens are checked. You'll have the chance to ask questions about cleaning, warranties, or upkeep. This final step guarantees that you're satisfied and confident in your investment. Long-term benefits. You'll notice once installed, you'll quickly see the advantages of your new windows. Lower energy bills, reduced drafts, and better insulation cut heating and cooling costs. Enhanced comfort, even indoor temperatures throughout the year. Improved aesthetics, fresh, modern designs that boost curb appeal. Increased value, a desirable feature for future buyers in Coppell's competitive housing market. Final thoughts. A professional window installation in Coppell is a smooth, well-organized process designed to deliver long-term comfort and value. From the initial consultation to the final walkthrough, expert installers handle every detail so you can enjoy peace of mind and lasting results. If you're ready to upgrade your Coppell home, trust the professionals to get the job done right the first time. With the right team, your new windows will provide beauty, efficiency, and protection for years to come.